Hi everyone, welcome to Supplier's platform. In this video, we'll quickly break down what a purchase order is and walk through its key elements step by step. A purchase order, or PO, is an official document sent from a buyer to a supplier. It's a written confirmation of what the buyer wants to purchase, under what terms, and at what cost. Every purchase order starts with a reference section. This includes the purchase order number, a unique ID, and the issue date. These details make the PO traceable and easy to manage. Next, we have the vendor information, who is supplying the goods or services. This section lists the vendor's name, address, and contact details. Then comes the purchaser information, who is placing the order and where the goods should be delivered. It includes the buyer's name, address, and contact details. The delivery section specifies how and when the goods should arrive. It may include delivery instructions, the logistics provider to use, and the required delivery date. Some POs also contain special notes, like packaging requirements or other handling instructions. Typically refers to additional instructions, for example, please mark the package with the following marking, directly to Mr. Jan Kowalski's hands. The core of the PO is the product list. Each item is described with its number, revision, description, ordered quantity, unit price, and total price. Purchase orders also include authorization, showing who approved or released the order from the customer's side. Finally, the balance statement provides a clear summary of the financials, including the subtotal, taxes, additional costs, and the final amount payable in the agreed currency. In short, a purchase order is more than just a request. It's a binding agreement that details exactly what will be delivered, how, and at what cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Supplier's platform for more clear and practical content like this.